Hi guys, this is Rich for this edition of Learning with Rich. At this moment, let us put halt to our discussions on Revit since we have been discussing it for the past year. So hopefully you have learned something from my Revit tutorials for architecture, MEP, and structural. So we're now going to move to the next level, which is coordination process using the software Navisworks. Again, this is from Autodesk. Okay, so let's get started and let's talk about the school software from Autodesk. So what we're going to talk about first is the Navisworks versions because as you can see in Navisworks, we have three flavors of Navisworks. And you know what? I kind of find cool to use PowerPoint because of these transitions, animations, and cool stuff in presentation. Anyway, like what I'm saying, the first topic that we're going to talk about are the versions of Navisworks, which is Navisworks Freedom. Second one is Navisworks Simulate, and the third one is Navisworks Manage. So we have three versions of Revit. Oh, I mean Navisworks. All right, and there you go. It's the windy transition or animation. So first of all is Navisworks Freedom. You can download this at autodesk.com. It's a free viewer. So if the client wants to view the project in Navisworks, they can install Navisworks Freedom. But since this is free, okay, let me just close this one. All right, so since this is free, you cannot do anything much aside from viewing your model. So you cannot do editing, you cannot save the file, although it has a timeliner, but you cannot do a timeliner in Navisworks Freedom. Okay, so you can only open the file in NWD format. So basically, if you only need to view the project without editing or whatsoever, Navisworks Freedom is for you. All right. Now the second Navisworks version, there you go, Flyaway, is the Navisworks Simulate. So we use this software for design simulation and project review software. So because I have faith in you guys that eventually from BIM modeler you will become a BIM coordinator or BIM manager. So this software is a must for you. Okay, so you need to learn how to use Navisworks Simulate and then the third Navisworks version, which is what I'm going to talk about later on. Okay, so what are the features of your Navisworks Simulate? Okay, so first of all, real-time navigation, whole team project review, model file and data aggregation. You have tools for reviewing the project, NWD and DWF publishing. We're going to talk about NWD as we move on to our discussion with Navisworks. Collaboration toolkit, 5D products scheduling. So we have that photorealistic model rendering and object animation. We also have beam coordination with AutoCAD 2017. Beam 360 Glue, another good product from Autodesk. Integration of Beam 360 Glue and also the material takeoff in 3D. You can also do 2D sheet takeoff. All right, so Navisworks Simulate is cheaper than Manage. Okay, Navisworks Manage. So Navisworks Simulates, so this is how it costs for a subscription for 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years. All right, so as of this writing, this is actually the price of subscription for Navisworks Simulate. All right, now the third Navisworks version is the Navisworks Manage. So basically, I just need to copy paste all the features in Navisworks Simulate. And what makes this different with Simulate are these last two feature, which is clash detection and interference checking, and clash and interference management. Okay, so in Navisworks Simulate, you pretty much all have the features, including the simulation. If you want to do some animation, you want to do some quantity takeoff, but it lacks of clash detection. So here in manage, the clash detection and interference checking is included in clash and interference management. Okay, so basically this is the full power of Navisworks software, which is the Navisworks Manage. That's why there is also a quite big difference with the annual subscription with Navisworks Manage. Right, so as of this writing, so you have this annual subscription. Okay, so there you go. So as a summary, if you want free, no editing or no simulation or class detection, just purely free, you can use Navisworks Freedom. So if you need most functionality but don't need clash detection, simulation, you can use the Navisworks Simulate. And then if you want to have the full power of Navisworks, okay, you can subscribe for Navisworks Manage. All right. So that's it for this quick discussion for Navisworks versions. So just be patient, guys, because I'm also busy at work, so I will not be able to finish my tutorial that fast, but definitely I will finish this one for you. So no need to subscribe to other training website and pay for tutorials. You just go to my website, or I mean to my YouTube channel. So I got your back, guys. Don't worry. Just be patient and tell your friends about this. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And you can also visit the my blog site. And this is my favorite Bible verse. So seek ye first the kingdom of God and His righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. Right? So sharing is caring. All right. So have a nice day. Bye bye.